Design plays a critical role in how customers perceive your startup. Canva makes professional branding accessible, allowing founders to create high-quality visuals quickly, consistently, and affordably. Canva is a browser-based design tool that allows anyone to create graphics for social media, presentations, websites, documents, and marketing materials without prior design experience. Startups use Canva because it is fast, affordable, and collaborative. It reduces dependency on designers, speeds up content creation, and ensures visual consistency across teams. Canva's brand kit helps maintain consistency. You can upload logos, define brand colors, select fonts, and ensure every design follows your brand identity. Canva offers ready-made templates for Instagram posts, LinkedIn banners, stories, and ads. Startups can quickly adapt templates while maintaining a consistent look and feel. Founders can design pitch decks, presentations, and reports using Canva's slide templates. These designs help communicate ideas clearly and professionally to investors and partners. Canva can be used to create brochures, flyers, posters, email headers, and sales one-pagers. These assets support marketing campaigns and sales outreach. Templates save time, while custom designs create differentiation. Smart startups start with templates and gradually customize layouts to match their brand identity. Canva allows teams to collaborate in real time. Designs can be shared, commented on, and approved quickly, improving workflow and reducing delays. Good design is simple, consistent, and user-focused. Avoid clutter, use limited colors, maintain spacing, and prioritize readability over decoration. To use Canva effectively, set up your brand kit, choose templates aligned with your brand, customize consistently, create assets for marketing and sales, collaborate with your team, review and refine designs regularly. Canva empowers startups to look professional from day one. With the right structure and discipline, great design becomes a strategic advantage, not a bottleneck.